I'm Garima. Welcome. Today I'll share with you an amazing technique. Do you feel stressed, anxious? And are you looking solutions for your problems? Well, today we'll do an amazing technique. This technique is called NLP technique of Superwoman or Superman. Let's do it together. To do this technique, wherever you're standing, just step away from there. Your feet should be shoulder width apart, your hand should be on your waist, and your neck and your back should be in straight line. Now this is called Superwoman or Superman pose. Take 2-3 deep breaths. Close your eyes. Now repeat these affirmations. They are very powerful affirmations. I am Superwoman or Superman and I can handle anything. I am Superwoman, I can handle anything. I am powerful and calm. I am powerful and calm. Repeat these affirmations 5 to 6 times. Now open your eyes and step back to the original position without changing the posture. Now you will feel that you are feeling more confident and calm. Just by changing your posture, you start feeling calm and confident. And that is the reason this pose is called Superman or Superwoman pose. And beauty of this pose is, this pose can be done anywhere, either in office or either in home. Let's say you have to give a presentation to senior leaders and you are feeling anxious. Just take a minute and do this pose. You feel calm and powerful and energetic. It is like unleashing your own superhero. So it is like unleashing your own potential. So let's do the Superman or Superwoman pose and let's make our life happier and healthier. Thank you.